Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Dr. Saqib Khan Science Academy. Today we will learn about how to make a column graph or bar graph in Excel. For this purpose, we have some data. We have sale of different products in a company. For example, we have 5 different products A, B, C, D, and E, and their sales in USD. So we want to make a bar graph of these sales. You can select these, go to Insert, and in the chart column, just select this insert column or bar chart, and among these you can select any one of. You can select 2D column or stacked column, or you can select 3D column. So we will select this clustered column and it shows us the clustered column. One way is this, to insert the column. The other way is, the easiest way is, just click anywhere inside your data, and on your keyboard just press Alt F1 together, and it will make you a column graph. If you want to change the color, just go to the format and select any color that you want to fill, the black one, with any color you want to fill in. The next thing, title of the chart. If you want to change the title, just click on the title, and in formula bar just press is equal to and select any title you want to have over here, and then press enter. So it will change your title. If you want to update this column, then your title will also be updated, just like over here. You want to add the axis title, you can just go to the chart design, add chart element, select horizontal or vertical. The other way to add the vertical or horizontal axis is just press this plus sign and select anything you want to add. And then, for example, our horizontal axis, double click this one, it will be selected, and write down whatever it is. Over here it is sales in USD, and on horizontal title we have products. This is how to make a column graph. We want to change this into bar graph. Just go to the change chart type and select bar, and select any one among these. This one is much better, so I'll select this one, and then I'll press OK. So it will change into the bar graph. For this type of data, for small products, this column graph is much easier. But if you have a much larger data, then you can select the bar graph for this type of data. Just press Alt F1. This data will be selected and it will change into the column graph. Go to the change chart type and select bar, and it will be selected. So you can see over here the name of the products are much easier to read as compared to the name of the products over here. So for long names, you can use the bar graph. And the same, if you want to change the title or anything, you just press is equal to and then select the title wherever you want. For example, I want to add sale. So it will change the product. Now if you want to compare two different sales, 2 different years, so just press Alt F1. It will give you the chart, sales in 2022, sales in 2023. This is comparison of 2 years. I want to change the title, so I will just press is equal to, just select the chart title, then in formula bar I will just press is equal to and select the title, and it will change my title. If I want that this graph should show me the 2022 data in one place and 2023 data in another place, I'll just go to the switch column and row. Switch column and row. So you can see over here the 2022 sales are separated from 2023 sales. You can increase or decrease the space between the bars. For example, over here it is, if I want to decrease the space, you can increase or decrease the space. If I want to reduce the space between 2022 and 2023, so I'll just press this. You can see over here. So just play with this. Now, the other thing in this type of chart, if I want to have this chart sales for the whole 2022 and sales for the whole 2023, so I'll change this into Change chart type. I'll change the column into stacked column, and it will give me the total sale of 2022 and 2023, and it will give you comparison of different products. For example, product A sales in 2022 are higher as compared to 2023, and similar to product C, the sales are much higher in 2022, while in 2023 the product C sales were lower. In 2023 the product D sales were more as compared to 2022, but as a whole we have more sales in 2022 as compared to 2023. So in this way you can present your data more precisely and more accurately to your audience. Hopefully now you understand the difference between bar graph, bar chart or column chart and column stack chart, why these different types of charts are being used. If you got some information from here, please like the video, share with your fellow students and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative video like this one. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.